At Productronica 2023 in Munich, NanoDimension is here in Hall B with new innovations in AME, additively manufactured electronics, and SMT, surface mount technology with SMTech. We are showing the first time a full digital manufacturing process with the Dragonfly 4, the new material INSU 200 and the SMTech Fox machine. And several new innovations for SMTech in the field of soldered jetting, jet dispensing and advanced solutions. NanoDimension has advanced materials for additive manufacturing of electronics and has advanced the software for additive manufacturing of electronics. While we have introduced in 2017 the first 3D printer for electronics, we learned a lot by listening to our customers. We learned a lot by figuring out what we need to do in order to become part of the electronic manufacturing process. In the past, we had a challenge with our material printed on a Dragonfly, as it was not compatible with standard SMT processes and reflow temperatures. But this changed now. And INSU 200 is a new advanced material, first time bringing us to be compatible with standard SMT processes. Altogether, this will bring a revolution in electronics rapid prototyping. So today, with only 2 machines, a Dragonfly 4 and a Fox machine, you can have complete rapid prototyping of PCB, PCBA, SMT in one room next to your lab. And this is what we are showing.
So INSU 200 is the new dielectric material that we've released for AME. It has a high TG, a very low CTE, and significant improvements in the mechanical properties of the material. It enables printing of advanced AME designs that could then be used in standard reflow processes at 240 degrees and are much more durable and reliable in terms of mechanical properties. FlightHub is our new software solution for design for AME. It allows us to design electromechanical models in true 3D to really take advantage of the various possibilities that AME gives us in electrical design.
For more information, visit us at nano-di.com.